Good evening students. In this video I am going to explain how to download and install SPSS 20 on your computer system from Google Drive. For that you have to open Google Chrome and type download SPSS 20 Google Drive. Then you will get some links. Click on first link SPSS 20 Google Drive. Then Google Drive is opened. Here we have two files. First one is Word file and second one is RAR file. If you want to download any file, please select that particular file and click on this option. Then we have to click on download. If you click on this download button, that particular file will be downloaded into your computer system. Then we have Word file also. The serial number key is available in this Word file. Then we have to download both these files. First I am going to download this RAR file. For that, select that RAR file and click on download. Click on download anyway. Now it's downloading. I'm going to cancel this download because I already downloaded this software. Then we have to download this Word file also. It's also important one for activating your software. Now it's opening. Below this file you have serial key. So after completion of installation, you have to copy and paste this serial key. Now I am opening the download folder. Here you can see SPSS 20. It's a file already downloaded by me. I'm right clicking on this file. Then I'm going to extract files because it's a RAR file. We have to extract the files from this RAR. For that I'm using 7-zip software. You can use WinRAR also. So I'm selecting 7-zip and extract files. Now we have to specify the location in which we want to extract these files. I'm selecting D:. Then I am going to create a new folder. I'm giving name as sample SPSS. Then OK. Now if you are clicking on OK, this entire software file will be extracted to that particular folder. I already extracted this software. So now I am cancelling this extracting process. Now I am selecting D:, then software. So here I have extracted SPSS 20. I am clicking on this SPSS 20. Then SPSS setup is available. You have to double click on this setup for opening it. Now it will be opening. So it's an installation wizard. Now files are extracting. Then here we have single user license. Then next I accept the terms. Then next here we have to give username and organization name. I'm giving my name. And organization name SK. Then we have to click on next, next, then next, then install. Now installation process is started. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to install entire software on your computer system. So you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your system's configuration. Now in this window, click on OK. Then license my product now. Select license my product now, then click next. Click on next. Then here we have to enter the serial code. We already downloaded that Word file. In this Word file, I have serial key of SPSS 20. I'm selecting this serial key and copy it. Then we have to paste this serial key here. Then click on next, next, finish. Now our entire installation process is over. Now that website, IBM website is opening. You can close it. Now we will check it. Check whether SPSS is running properly or not. For that, select a window button and click on IBM SPSS Statistics 20. Now it's opening. Here we have some options. I'm selecting type in data because it's a new file. Okay, I'm clicking on variable view. Here we can create the variables. I'm giving name name underscore SDT. Then we have to select the type. So name is a string. So I'm selecting string. Okay. Now we can enter the data in data view window. I'm entering Hari. Then enter. Yeah, it's running properly. So now we have successfully installed the SPSS software in our computer.